Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by showing Outlook where to look. First, make sure you're signed into the mailbox that holds archived mail. Once done, glance at the folder pane for an archive or online archive entry. That's the immediate target. If you don't see it, check File Account Settings Data Files for a local PSD path and confirm Outlook has that file attached. This gets the archive visible so you can search and retrieve messages, no more guessing where old mail lives. Now you'll drill down to find specific archived messages. Click into the archive folder and use the search box with keywords, sender names, or a date range to narrow results quickly. When you need precision, open search tools and run advanced find-to-add fields like message contains, to, from, or attachment status. If the archive is on the server, switch to Outlook Web and use its search syntax for server-side indexing. That's faster for large archives. This stage locates the exact items to restore or export. You're at the finish line. Restore or export what you found. Select messages and drag them to Inbox or choose Move Other Folder to place them precisely. To create a portable backup, go to File, Open, and Export Import/Export and export to a PSD file. After moving or exporting, make sure folders update and sync. If messages don't appear, rebuild Outlook Search Index or verify retention and archive policies in your account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.